or welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, I am Shreya and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle, travel and much more. So today's video is really going to be special for all of you guys. Durga Puja is coming down, so I created this look for Durga Puja special festive look. I am doing a series where I'll be showing you guys different looks which you can pull off on each day of Durga Puja. So I do really think that all of you got excited and you guys want to see how I created this look. So let's move on with today's video. Hi guys, so I have a pimple right here. We have a guest today, the star of the show. So I'm beginning by using my forever favorite lactocalamine. Of course, it's best suited for oily skin, I guess, and it suits my skin like so well, like oily skin, acne prone skin and hyperpigmentation. Like I have the combination of the worst ever, so I really have to take care of myself. So the next step, I guess, so moisture it really well on your face, and then I'm just going to apply my lip balm because why not? Lips also require good care. So here I'm using Nivea lip balm. It's in the flavor called raspberry if I'm not wrong, and also I'll be mentioning all the links in the description box down below. So this is Lakme foundation, the basic Lakme foundation. No, nothing new. Now this is the first time I am using Lakme foundation, so probably I'll be surprised of how it turns out. So as I was mentioning, I will be mentioning all the products in the description box down below. So please, if you guys want to check it out, don't forget to check my description box down below. And so this is my second series of the makeup looks or like festive looks. So please do comment down below as to how you guys are liking the videos. The concept is okay or not, whether I'm always open to feedback. So here I'm just patting down the foundation with my beauty blender, and please don't mistake my beauty blender to be dirty. It's just the color is always like that. I have washed it this time again, so let's see if the color fades out. So I'll be super extremely happy when the color fades out. So I'm done with my basic. Now one thing, so next let's just go to Blue Heaven ka concealer. Now I guess I had mentioned about this in one of my Nykaa hauls. I'll mention it somewhere on the screen. You guys can definitely go ahead and check it out. And so what I was mentioning is that I always try and keep things very minimal. Even if I'm using a certain foundation and then concealer and color corrector and everything, I just feel that there's no need. I feel like a very light base is something that we should always try and achieve instead of just applying 6 products. A light base is always the best option, because I feel that our face also needs some space to breathe, because that's all is important. We shouldn't be clogging our pores with extremely usage of makeup products and I have seen so many YouTube videos where people are using color correctors. Now I am not a professional here. I don't even know how to use a color corrector. I probably don't even know how to use a concealer. So it's just me being very honest and very raw with you guys. So the base is almost pretty done in this way. So over here I've just done my eyebrows off camera because it's just a basic thing. I will probably try to include it in my next video. So here I'm just I've seen so many people using Maybelline and Fit Me powder, loose powder, but I believe that this 10 rupees ka thing does the work. So if you guys can relate to me, please don't forget to comment down below. I really want so many people in my squad, and my pimple is just so annoying. I woke up this day and I was I can't really delay my shoots. Let's just be there. So I have this basic eyeshadow palette from Wet n Wild. It has got hardly, I think, 4 colors. So I was really skeptical of whether to use this palette or not. So I chose the Swiss Beauty ka palette, which is the only sole palette which I have, guys. The only palette which I have apart from that Wet n Wild. That is the Chotu Sa mini version. So my sari is in blue color, so I wanted something a brownish and a goldenish eyeshadow concept on my eyes. So as you guys can see, I don't have any makeup brush or eyeshadow brush or nothing of that sort. It's okay, fingers are always good, but here I'm using I don't know what's this called. It's like a sponge thing attached to the end of both the sides, and I use like each side for each like separate colors, like dark shades and then lighter shades and everything. So I use it that way. So next I'm using this maroonish color. So one thing which I would like to mention about this particular palette is that, so here I'm just searching for the side of कि कौन से side से ये dark shade लगाना है, because I'm always like, I don't know why I don't have that brush. I think that probably by this time my Miniso brush set review will be up. I'll definitely link it somewhere on the screen, so please don't forget to check it out, guys. Now eyeshadow is a pretty tricky job if you're not like confused like me here, like which color to use, which shade to use. So because of this particular brush or whatsoever it's called, it's very difficult for me to blend in, because like these sponges which are there are very flimsy, like sometimes it even comes out. So I am like, by this time I will be having my first ever brushes, which is like from Miniso, so it will be up on my channel. Please don't forget to check it out, guys. So I think that I am pretty much done with my eyes here. Probably I'll be just applying some like lighter shade in my inner corners. So, and here I'm just blending it out, because blending is a very important step in eyeshadow, which I have learned across, and I have even learned about cut crease, but I'm really not professional, guys. But it's just that me being super raw with you guys, like it's just so relatable, because I think that each and every woman out there is not a professional, but they try and make use of whatsoever they have in their vanity to look good during the Durga Puja, like whatsoever, like irrespective of whether you have very branded products like Revolution and Lakme and everything, and you have like 24 set brushes and all those brushes like contour brush, eyeshadow brushes, but irrespective of that, everyone wants to look very chic during Durga Puja. So it's just for all of you guys. Now I am not being shy about pulling myself throughout this entire video, like probably many of you guys won't like it. So okay, so coming back to the video, so here I'm just applying like a darker shade, probably a very emerald greenish shade at the outer corners, so as to give that edgy look, So here I'm just applying a bit of darker shade at the like lower eyelids, so as to complete the look. Let me know, guys, how do you like this like whole eyeshadow look? I'm really like eager to know you guys feedback. So next is up the mascara game. So the mascara which I'm using here is of Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara, if I'm not wrong, and all the products link will be like mentioned in the description box down below. And one tip is that please pat down some excessive from the brush, because we don't want our eyebrows or like eyelashes to look very heavy. It's just not done. It looks like super weird, if I must say. So here I am gently doing my eyelashes, because why not take time while making your eyelashes, because that's a very important thing. Now what I have learned throughout is that enhancing your eye makeup is the game changer. Like if you can do that, everything will be like super perfect. Like I don't know how many guys of you will relate with me, but eye makeup is a game changer. So next I'm applying Ellatine ka kajal. Now this kajal is only for rupees, if I am not wrong, for rupees 79. I had shown it in some of my haul, I guess Amazon or Nykaa haul, if I'm not wrong. I'll try to mention the links somewhere on the screen, or if you guys want, you guys can check out my playlist also. I have created a playlist of my hauls and my makeup videos, so it will be easier for you guys to like jump in. So here I'm just applying my regular kajal,
and this kajal actually stays in like for 7 to 8 hours. It does not smudge that easily. So my makeup is all done. I have done my eyeliner off camera again because eyeliner is just very simple. So here I've just again taken my backdated brush. I don't know what it's called, guys, please bear with me. So I'm just taking a little bit of shimmery shade to apply it in my inner corners of the eye, so that my eyes are looking like super chic. Like I'm so happy with this eye makeup, particularly because I worked hard for it, guys. So my inner eyelids are done, I guess. So next is the lipstick. So the lipstick shade, as far as I remember, is maroon something of Ellatine. I'll mention it in the description box down below, so please don't worry, guys. Now I am a big sucker for Ellatine lipsticks. Please comment down below if you're one of me, like one of a kind like me. I'm a big sucker for these lipsticks because these are super moisturized, these are super good, and these stays on. I am looking forward to change to Maybelline and Lakme. Let's see how it goes. So my entire makeup is done, so I'll just quickly change. So I've just changed into this beautiful piece, like royal blue shade sari. Now this is, I don't know what it's called. I really don't know. Probably I got it from online, from Jabong or something. So if you guys can, don't forget to comment down below how you did found out the earrings, because I really love this whole, I think these are called kanbalis or jhumkas, or like, please comment down below as to what these type of earrings are called. I really love this look. Now you guys can pull up this look during the morning, during the night, for Ashtami, for Shashti, for Shaptami, like anything. Like it just would go with the breeze.
Guys, I do really hope that all of you guys had enjoyed this video thoroughly, and please comment down below as to how you did find out this video, and also don't forget to tag me on Instagram if you're doing this particular look, or if you're pulling off something similar look to this. So please don't forget to tag me on my Instagram. I'm highly active. If you want, you can follow me there also, and please stay tuned for more such videos. Till then, stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.